right. Oh, maybe not.
Woo! Last ride of the year. Mitch Grant and I are out. Finally got the mini bike back out. And feels good. The road doesn't though. The road's definitely a little bombed out. But that's why we built it as a trail bike and not as a street racer. Not for flat track. So yeah, made it to the other side of the Hacienda. I don't know if you remember, but in quads versus quicksand, we got cut off, as you see here. And we finally made it to the other side. And hoping to get some good riding in, maybe drone flight, a little bit of wind today. And yeah, we wanted to bring the mini bike so we could show off a couple of the upgrades we've done to it. So yeah, bikes are still decorated because it is the last ride of the year. Our Christmas lights are still on. We don't turn them off until New Year's. Yep, it's my squeak toy. Yeah, we leave the lights on because we're so enthused about Jesus. So yeah, here we are. It looks like we took the right way. That's good. We haven't gone this way in, I don't know how long. Oh, watch out for the quail. Yeah, those are young ones. Watch out, gas-powered excitement coming through. So yeah, it's been like I don't know, year and a half, 2 years since we came out this way. Some really great views and what used to be some really smooth trails. I mean, it is nice now. This is smooth. So yeah, new upgrades to the mini bike include the red pull start, that's officially on. And a brand new seat, yes. And the last one was quite sun-baked. It feels nice and firm and quite supportive. And I don't have to worry about if it's just gonna, yeah, crack to pieces because it's wintertime and the cracks are growing. Oh, jeez.
Look at that mini bike. Oh, look at that mini bike. It is good to see the mini bike out. Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, that's super red. Yeah, kept our lunch a little light for the bumpiness, you know. Had those days where you have a big old breakfast and you come out on the trail and you're like, oh no, I shouldn't have done that. We're set up pretty good today. Yeah, it was a little breezy when we staged, but it's not too bad right now, so we might look out. Look out with a drone fly. Yeah. I wonder if it's related to mining. Okay. Don't wonder actually. It's guaranteed related to mining. I'm not sure what this is. It's bouncy, bouncy.
Yeah, I think it might be. Yeah, it's a cool water tank there.
Oh, neat. That cool water tank.
Pretty cool looking, I think.
Yeah, I think it's got a lid on it. The big...
That's
yeah, you're like, there's all this water, but you can't get to it unless you have thumbs. Wow, that is quite orange. orange and red back there. Juicy gravels, as they say. Juicy. I think so. I think so. I think it's a nice little spot. It's really pretty. We're kind of between all the mountains out here. As with many trips out here, I'm curious to see when we get home and look at a map. Where are we?
I think I know where this one is.
Yeah, I think we've seen it.
It's the wrong turn. It's pretty much.
Confirming that. Yeah. That's okay. That's the beauty of this area. Is if you take a wrong turn, usually it's just more riding.
Yeah.
Usually. Oh, neato. Oh yeah, Game Water. I've never played that game. Game Water?
Yeah, it's pretty much a desert game.
So is it it's real shallow, huh?
It is. Yeah, so here's the new speed. As you can see.
Oh yeah, let's look at that.
Yeah, new speed. It's awesome. That weather's still brand new, it's gotta get used to it.
Look at that bright red.
Yeah, it matches the engine. It's not kind of a dull orange. There's the new pull start cover. This one's an old one. I think it's, what is this one, an 09?
I think it is.
Yep, so they carried a little more in China back then, so they built them a little sturdier. Yeah, it does it. I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. And I'll say right now, when you guys see the next project, it's going to blow your mind. Yeah, for now, we're gonna probably go ahead and do the quad BBQ while it's still hot.
All right, let's take a look at the quad BBQ here. Just pulled her off. This thing is piping hot.
Ooh.
Is that chicken?
That
Seasoned
is.
chicken.
Yeah, that is some nice grilled chicken right there.
Go ahead and pop this. And
Ooh. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
roasted veggies in olive oil with rosemary.
Potatoes, kale, carrots.
Roasted garlic. Oh yeah. Well, I don't know how much more we can record here. I want to eat that.
Alright. Alrighty. Well, just got done eating our dinner, I guess, because it's almost sunset. And took the drone up. Looks like I got some pretty good views. Excited to see that. So, sun's getting low. It's getting to be time to head home. Indeed. Alright, yeah, just as bumpy as I remember. You know, I can't honestly lay blame. Well, it's working out alright for me, especially on that hill. Because that was spotty. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I might as well get a little in case mine's still running. Oh boy. End of the year danger fund. It's just the end of the year, nothing bad can happen. And it didn't come out. Wow. Oh, you're chucking rocks. Dang, dude. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Wow, holy crap, dude. Oh boy. Gotta start it off right, you know? You okay there?
So yeah, tonight's New Year's Eve. The end of 2020. A year to be remembered and not re-experienced. So yeah, hoping you all enjoyed all our videos throughout this year. We definitely have a lot more planned that are going to be pretty interesting. So yeah, glad you joined us for this trip, and hope you all have a safe New Year's. Peace out.